We are in Maleny and this is the Botanical Gardens. Let's see what they've got to offer.
No, that's just buggies. Welcome to the bird park. They're taking this golf buggy.
Smile for YouTube,
No
you
thanks.
sexy creatures.
No.
Taking this golf buggy. I'm excited. It was raining, that's why I'm wearing a hat. It's still raining. Excited.
I don't know what the time is now, but
You ready for this? Yep.
Yeah. Driver
I will
is
be your
back.
tour guide today.
Thank you.
thank you.
Little gimbal camera.
Oh,
Yeah, it's 1:45. Sort of feel like we should leave by 2ish anyway.
yeah.
Through that traffic.
I should be able to get around it pretty quickly, but
Well, they reckon that even stopping and getting out should be only an hour.
Yeah, I don't know if I can develop
But there's an idea for our lake.
it's
Stop, take a photo.
this. I want to do the little stuff.
And I want the lilies and some
Ducks
reeds
in the
and a couple
water.
of these tree ferrets. So there's a rock idea to hold the bank up a little. Can you hop out and take a photo? Yes.
coming back. We'll just go down. We'll just go down through it first, and then we'll work out which bits we want to like.
That would be perfect for our rockery, our lake, that just that one thing, you know.
Wedding down there on that lake.
Hey?
So they're having a wedding down on that lake.
Oh, let's go for a wedding.
Wedding
Even
this
those
side.
rocks there with the tree ferns in it, did you look at that? Just those rocks with the tree ferns.
Yeah, beautiful.
Put a pile of rocks together. You know those rocks I don't like that you like?
Granite, yeah.
Put them up
It's raining
in a pile.
heavily.
Whoa!
Oh, wedding lady here. Wedding dress. On the left. We need to get the bus.
Fold it up.
Yeah.
Get married in the rain. Got the rest of your life to enjoy the sun.
Wedding dress was so wet.
Look at this beautiful. Oh.
Yeah.
Look out, kids. I'll get extra points if I hit you.
Lovely
Donald
day.
had a farm.
No buggy in the tree.
Oh, yeah.
A given with you holding it.
Hey, lucky I've got a heater in my car for the first time in 30 years. Oh, thanks for rubbing it in.
Breathtaking views. Picnic area.
See those rocks, darling? They're as old as my mum, 25 million years old.
Not like that.
I'm joking.
Ah, look, it's all coming out where the root's going. All over you.
Oh well, you know the good thing about leaving my jumper behind? It's not going to be wet to get on the plane.
Yeah.
It'll be dry at home.
Mine is.
Right, your plane jacket. Yeah, well. You might have to, I don't even know that you'll have time to put it in the dryer.
Hello. The Bush Tucker Garden.
Okay. We'll see.
We'll miss the farm friends for now.
They're very popular at the moment.
Yeah.
They're very popular.
You don't see. No,
Oh, look. This one there.
Oh, wow.
Ahoy me mateys.
You can have one
When I said I
there.
bought a boat, that's
And
what
a
you thought I
boat.
was talking about, didn't you?
Yeah. We could have a little jetty going out and a little boat park next to
Oh
it.
my god.
So take her back to the car, drop her off.
Yeah. Okay, I'll turn around.
Mum, keep that up and
Oh, you taking a picture of the boat I want and the jetty. Look.
Hope they,
Oh, I'll take a
I hope
picture.
they start us up again.
I might have to show this to Todd. Mum's wish list.
Have they given you any power yet?
yeah.
Okay.
No, sorry.
Oops, our mistake.
Annie is an old trawler from the Murray River.
Lucky we're not one of these walking people.
Yes, very.
Some of those.
Hello, duckies.
Hello, Ducky. What do?
Well, this must be the second bout of those velvet pumpkins.
I hope my buggy won't move.
Marcy went for a walk and we are not leaving the buggy. It's heavily raining. He's over there. He's coming back. He is.
Sorry, I would have joined you.
How was
but
your
I
walk?
couldn't
It was
tonight.
beautiful down there. You guys missed out.
Oh,
Actually, I found a bit of gold down the bottom.
Gold.
Yeah, it's only about an ounce.
Oh, good, that's only 2 grams.
I think it's near a 5 at the moment. An ounce of gold.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
pipe.
right, yeah, good job. Well done. Where's your pods go anyway? You didn't bring it.
Sold it.
I packed it away because you know you would let me wear it.
Oh, and stop there, really.
I didn't wear it last night because you were all too embarrassed to be with me. Have we done the whole lap?
I don't think so. We just.
Bunny. Hello, Bunny. I'm not going because it's raining. Little bunnies over there.
Yeah, she was saying that.
Rabbits.
What up, Katie? She was like over.
Check out how cloudy it is.
Passenger princess.
And clouds over there.
Raining again.
Yeah.
No. See the birds tweeting there, enjoying the rain.
I like this one, Mum. It's cool, isn't it?
This one's nice.
It's a cloudy old day, but it's not stopping us. What is this? Hey, I'm doing a little video too. That's beautiful purple. Come and check out this waterfall over here, you'll like it. Julia, come check this waterfall out. No, up here. Come on. Cool. There's two things you missed. Yeah, this one here's got an arch. pretty cool.
Yeah, they're like
Lovers!
red and yellow things in there.
Right.
Yeah, I got them.
Yeah, I went in there. There? You can see the birds there.
Flowers, red roses, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
Just got to get my driver's license. I don't know what to do.
Hello, beautiful. Do it again, darling, because I didn't record you. Hey, easy, boy, easy, 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 easy. I know how to farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farming hand, E-I-E-I-O.
There's no fun.
Hello.
How we going, guys?
Good.
Good. Everyone's got their tickets. No
Oh, no.
answers.
No, we're going to have tickets?
Can't be in this area without your tickets,
Oh, okay.
guys. Sorry, don't pat the birds. Need to go and get